Hello friends, very good morning. A hearty welcome to my YouTube channel and myself Dr. M.H. Annaya. Friends, in this video we are going to draw the projections of a rectangular lamina having dimension 30 by 50 which is resting on one of its shorter edges on HP and the opposite shorter edge is stretching VP at a distance of 30 millimeter. So let's see what the question we have for today's video. It reads as a rectangular lamina of size 30 mm by 50 mm rests on one of its shorter edges on HP at a distance of x from VP. We don't know what distance it is, whereas the side opposite to that is on VP at a distance of 30 millimeter above HP. Draw its projections and determine the inclinations of the surface. Friends, this is one of the very important questions on this particular rectangular lamina. Friends, what we do, we have this lamina, a thin plate. Now it has to rest on one of the shorter edge on HP and the side opposite to that on VP. So very obviously friends, in the final front view, you get a rectangle again. In the top view, another rectangle. And in the end view, when you see from the left, you will be able to see it as a line and you will be able to measure what is the angle made by the surface of the lamina with HP and VP. And also you can find out at what distance is this edge which is on HP from VP. Friends, what do we do now? We will have this lamina, say, pasted on the wall or VP. Obtain it front view, a rectangle A dash, B dash, C1 dash, D1 dash of dimension 30 by 50. And the corresponding end view, which is obtained on the line of intersection of VP and the right profile plane, is this line. I have not shown this dark because it is not the final position. And friends, now we'll see how to obtain the projections of this. Friends, what happens in the end view, whatever this line you had, the top end of the line, that is CD, should come to this height of 30 millimeter from XY. So I am going to mark this distance here and taking this distance as the radius and this center, this point, which is going to be finally C double dash D double dash, final end view of that edge. I am going to draw an arc taking 50 millimeter as the radius. Friends, you are going to get this point on this XY, you will join that. Friends, this line will give you final end view or left end view of the lamina. This is the final end view of the lamina. And friends, you can immediately find out what is theta, the angle made by the surface of the lamina with HP, and this point is going to be A double dash, B double dash, which is an XY. And this will give you the angle made by the surface of the lamina, that is phi. These two can be measured, and remember the sum of these two angles has to be 90 degrees because it is a right angle triangle and this XY and X1, Y1 are perpendicular to each other. Friends, after obtaining the final end view, we have to draw a horizontal line from there to the left and obtain the final CD, CMD, the other edges. So A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash represent the final front view of this rectangular lamina when the side CD is at a height of 30 millimeter from here. Friends, after you get that, let us obtain the final top view. So draw a vertical line from AB, it touches here. Draw a horizontal line from here, and this is the point A and B. So below this A dash, you get A. This is point A, and this is going to be point B. This is point B on this. So you have got A and B, and C and D. C and D will be here only. So this is C, and this is D. Friends, this rectangle, whatever you get here, is the final top view of the lamina, which is touching XY by the side AB. Friends, this is the final top view, and this rectangle is the final front view, and you have to show all these construction lines. And remember, this length is equal to 50 mm, which is same as this height. Friends, you have been asked to find out the inclination of the surface of the lamina with HP and VP. Theta is the inclination of the lamina with HP, and phi is the inclination with VP. And also we have been asked to find out what is the distance of that side which is on HP. AB is the side which is on HP, and you can measure here what is the distance between XY and this edge. This will give you distance of AB, distance of AB from VP, that is represented by X in the question. So you can find out this. Friends, I hope the presentation was interesting. I request you all to go through the complete video and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so far. Friends, if you are happy with the presentation I have made, do share this information about this video with all your friends without fail. Thank you for watching my YouTube video and have a wonderful day.